This is the riserless core from the top view. You can actually see it looks exactly like the photos on my website. He did a really cool thing where he marked some gaps here, and so he could send me an email and say, hey, from A to B, what should it be? From E to F, what are my dimensions? So he did a really, really neat job on the build here, and I really, really appreciate it. So here it is. Inside is these insulated bricks. He had to kind of do his own modifications around here with these empty hollow bricks to sort of build the shell, but he's building the shell. Have these hollow bricks. It's starting to come together there, and used this. He used this mold to cast a top. Pretty neat way to do a cast top. He just cast it right in place, and then I'm assuming he either burned out or pulled out from the inside the wood there, from the inside. So there's the top being cast. Built a really nice door here. Very cool. And here he is having a fire. You can see it whipping around the corner there. And there's the whole build. How about that, you guys? Can you see it? Isn't that cool? So this is what he's cooking bread in. And he cooks his bread for the family. It sounds like, maybe not daily. There's a picture of some bread he cooked in there. How about that? Oh, here we go. This is what's exciting. It works great. Our propane bill has been dramatically reduced, and lots of branch wood that was not worth the work before is now useful. We have an endless supply that can be harvested with hand tools. As for the oven, man, this thing is insane. It's quite easy to get the oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and 9 hours later, it's at 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, and it bakes great bread. So, he's been sending me emails like that pretty regularly, and it's just so encouraging.